Hello everybody, have you ever wondered what are the things around us made up of? Things around us are made up of very tiny particles that we cannot see. These building blocks of matter around us are called as atoms. In this activity, we will see the different parts of an atom, the structure of an atom, and how to determine the charge of an atom. Now, an atom has basically three subatomic particles: the protons that are positively charged, electrons that are negatively charged, and neutrons which are neutral and have no charge. Here I have taken different colorful marshmallows. The pink marshmallows represent the protons, the yellow marshmallows represent the neutrons, and the green marshmallows represent the electrons. We will label them as protons as positively charged particles, neutrons as, since they are neutral, we'll mark them O as O. The electrons are negatively charged particles, we'll label them as negative. We'll mark them with a negative sign. Now let us make a cluster of protons and neutrons using few toothpicks. So this is our nucleus, which consists of 3 protons and 3 neutrons. Now let us make the electrons revolve around the nucleus. I have taken few sticks with me. Connect one end of the stick with the green marshmallows, which represent the electrons, and the other end of the stick let us attach with the nucleus. In the same way, one end with this, the other end with this. Now, by looking at this, how can you determine the charge of the atom? The charge of the atom is 0 because we have 3 protons in the nucleus and 3 electrons in the orbit, which cancel effect of each other. They balance each other, and hence the atomic charge is neutral. It is a neutral atom. Now if I make another electron revolve around, if I add one more electron, if one more electron is added to it, what is the charge of the atom? The charge of the atom is negative because we have more number of electrons and less number of protons. If I remove 2 electrons, what is the charge of the atom? The charge of the atom is now positive because we have more number of protons and lesser number of electrons. So this way we can determine the charge of an atom. Now scientists can, this physical property of the atom, it can be determined by the scientists and by the engineers also, in order to make medicines and other helpful products which are required by the people. And engineers can use this property of the atoms in order to make strong buildings. Thank you.